Hello everyone, this is Troy from TroyPoint.com, and in this video I will show you how to install the popular Downloader application onto devices running the Android TV operating system such as the Mi Box and NVIDIA Shield. I will also show you how to sideload Downloader onto the other Android boxes that are running the stock Android operating system. As of this recording, this application already has over 5 million users and is one of the most popular applications within the Amazon App Store. And now the new version allows us to use it on Android TV devices as well. A huge thanks goes out to Elias Saba over at AFTVnews.com for his hard work on this awesome application that many of us use on a regular basis. In the first example, I will be installing this new version onto an NVIDIA Shield, which is running the Android TV operating system. This same procedure will work with the Mi Box and other devices running the true Android TV OS. Please don't get this operating system confused with what comes loaded on the majority of Android boxes made in China. I will get to one of those devices in the second example. The first thing I want to do is come down and click the settings icon. Click Security and Restrictions, and you want to make sure that Unknown Sources is turned on. Go ahead and click the Select button or the OK button on the remote. If it's turned off, that will turn it on. You'll get this screen here. Click OK to turn it on. Now, even though we are installing the Downloader application directly through the Google Play Store, there is a plugin that we need to install as well to make the browser work properly. And that's the reason we need to turn on unknown sources. I'm going to go back to the home screen of the NVIDIA Shield. Next, I'm going to open Google Play Store, click the search icon, and I'm going to type in the search term Downloader. Click Search. And you may notice you have to scroll quite a ways to find it in this list. But rest assured it is there. Highlight the Downloader icon, click the Select button, click Install. And now once it's installed, we can go ahead and click the Open button. Go ahead and click Allow. I'm going to go ahead and click the OK button. Now when the application first loads, you will see here that we are on the home page. The cursor is blinking in the URL box where you can type in the URL of a website that you'd like to visit, or if you have a file that you'd like to download and you have the direct link to that application, you can type that in here and download it directly to the device. We will download and install an application here in a little bit in this area. Before we do that though, I'm going to move over and click the browser menu item, and you're going to notice that the browser has been deactivated within this application. And in order for the app to be approved for the Google Play Store, the developer had to disable the built-in browser. But fortunately, we can sideload a plugin through Downloader, which will still allow us to use the browser on this device. So I'm going to go back to the home screen, click the Select button on my remote, and the address that I want to type in is browser.aftvnews.com. After you've typed that in, double check the accuracy before clicking the Go button, click Install, and now we can click Done. And the great thing about the Downloader application is it does give us the opportunity to delete the installation file immediately after installing an application. I'm going to go ahead and click Delete, delete again, and that will save some valuable space on the hard drive. All right, I'm going to move back over, click Browser, and you will see this message here that the browser plugin is still in beta. Read the paragraph. There are a few bugs that you may encounter.